Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Nerve.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Mercy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies.
So the machine stops running. Right!
You guys, I knew that you'd remember. Go on.
That right there in the hood, right?
Let's stop here for a while.
Let's stop.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a 3.
Bring on your defense shield.
Defense shield go. Who'll be jamming now?
Black wall tires, they blend into the pavement.
To St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this delinquent road hazard to traffic court.
We never found out who the world's fastest car is. Plus, no press, no trophy, just racing.
Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Engine from the photo.
It's a perfect match.
How did the tow truck figure it?
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey!
Ooh-wee, that was one close finish. You sure made Dynaco proud. Thank you.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica. Serious?
That's why I love you, Sally. Wish me luck.
You don't need it.
Protect
You hear the glow?
You don't have three-wheel brakes, so you gotta pitch it hard, break it loose.
El nene quiere convertirse en héroe, ¿eh? ¿Qué dices de esto?
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Thanks, guys.
Queen's the winner. French Cups go second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.